And two Scouts USA troops here in western North Carolina are raising money for Helene recovery. Their camp over in Arden washed away in the floodwaters. News 13's Gracie Palmer spoke with some of those Scouts as they share what they lost.
While Troop 26 and Troop 4026 normally raise money at their yearly fundraisers for the Scouts' individual projects, this year is a little different. This year, they're raising money to rebuild their camp. Music, food, and dancing, all happening in the wake of rubble.
It was a really difficult time for everyone in the troop.
For Scouts USA troops 26 and 4026, the debris serves as a reminder for why they're out here.
Our troop has come back bigger than ever, even though we lost a lot of our property and belongings last year.
Almost a year ago, here at Camp Stevens, alongside the banks of the French Broad.
A lot of us were here all the time, pretty much.
Their main building.
That's where they spend 2 or 3 days a week, depending on how involved they are with scouting.
And everything around it completely washed away.
And all you could see was a few feet of the roof and then all water.
That's when the Scouts stepped up.
Pulling things out of the mud, walking up and down river and pulling things out of briars and out of trees.
And saw the positive.
We've managed to persevere and keep going, and we're going to come back better than ever.
They even got a new member out of it, fittingly named him Scout. The troop's goal is to raise $200,000.
Everybody's done a great job of turning it into something that means more, so it's been a blessing.
Their biggest project is building a new pavilion, a plan they said keeps flood resilience in mind. For now, the Scouts are building cabins as temporary meeting spots.
And it's nice to be back and rebuilding.
And while the troops may not have reached their goal yet, they've accomplished so much more.
They are all very much aware their legacy moving forward is that we rebuilt from this.
To learn more about how to join the troops and to donate, you can head over to our website at WLOS.com. In Arden, Gracie Palmer, News 13.